Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on our hot topic Bitcoin. Today we will discuss that BTC ETF watch. Crypto firm Grayscale just gave a major sign that SEC approval is imminent as crypto has mounted a comeback in late 2023 and now early 2024 Bitcoin prices have once again topped 43,000 bucks, an increase of almost 160% from a year ago. A large part of that rally is due to anticipated approval and listing of Bitcoin ETFs or exchange traded funds, which would allow retail investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without owning the cryptocurrency directly. This week's that anticipation has reached a favor pitch as there's a sign that Securities and Exchange Commissions has been meeting with officials from the major security exchanges according to a news report. Also, Grayscale Investments, which is seeking approval for its Bitcoin ETF, recently filled its Form 8A, a required piece of paperwork that must be filled before security can be offered with the SEC, Security Exchange Commissions. In other indication that things may come coming together, and additionally Grayscale has reportedly been in talk with investment banks JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs about potential role in launching and managing the ETFs. It is unclear that what will happen next as the SEC has taken a fairly combative and skeptical view of cryptocurrencies. In recent years, it has filed lawsuits against crypto platforms like Binance and Coinbase for operating as unlicensed exchanges and charge individuals with the insider trading. The key date to watch, however, is January 10, 2024, which is the deadline that the SEC set to determine whether approve a Bitcoin ETF application filed by ARK Investment Management and Swiss Crypto Manager 21 shares. If that application is approved, it is likely that others will be too. As for what the experts think, some analysts insist that the odds are good that ETF will be approval and launched this year. Eric, a Bloomberg senior ETF analyst, wrote on social app X last August that the odds of approval are 95% by the end of 2024, and those odds continue to improve over course of the year. Others, though, are not so sure. Marcus, head of research of crypto financial services firm Metricsport, wrote a report published on January 3 that he thinks the SEC will deny the ETF application. While we have seen frequent meetings between the ETF applications and staff from the SEC, which resulted in the application refilling their applications. We believe all applications fell short of a critical requirement that must be met before by the SEC approves. Thalian writes, this might be fulfilled by Q2 quarter second of 2024, but we expect the SEC to reject all proposals in January. Thank